Alright guys, it's September 17th, it's 4:24 p.m. and I'm going hunting this evening. I got my buddy Adrian coming, he's on the way now to come film me. We're gonna do a little doe patrol. I got a bunch of does coming out of this one food plot every evening, and there's these two that bust me almost every time, and I'm gonna try to take them out tonight. Hopefully we can get it done. They've normally been coming out about 6:45, 7 o'clock, but who knows what they're going to do tonight. I've been feeding some corn out. I got some good bucks on camera there too, but bucks just ain't there daytime, so we're going to try to go get it done this evening. So I'll holler back at y'all. So guys, Adrian's here. Adrian! Alright, we're in the stand. As you can see, it's 100 degrees here in Georgia, Hancock County. It's hot. Humidity level 25%, but it says it feels like it's 101. Winds coming out of the west at 4 miles per hour. We're doing a little doe patrol this evening, and hopefully that with Adrian behind the camera, we'll get it on film for the show. But we'll see what happens. Yes, sir. Just smoked it. I just smoked it. Did you see her shoulders? I took out her shoulders. I took out her shoulders. I took up both of her shoulders, bro. Huh? Alright, well, we just got done tracking my doe I shot this evening. Me and Adrian. We were out here at the rattlesnake. It's a little food plot I got right up here. I normally get some good bucks on camera, but this year it's just been ran over by does. Well, I thought we did a little herd management today, and I shot this one with an old Swacker broadhead. And come here and I'll show you what it can do. You hit nothing but bone. Well, this is just the entrance. But she didn't run 60 yards, so I call that a good evening hunt right here. And now we're about to go track my stepmom's buck. She shot a nice 9-pointer this evening. But I'll catch back up with y'all when we go to track hers.